Alright, I'm just opening this box from the Detroit Shrimp and Aquatics. As you can see, he sent me some of this food and the paper is super wet. Okay, that's the food. Here goes his card, which is soaked, as you can see. But let's get down to these shrimp, which are in breather bags, and they are the black ones. They are alive. That's one. The black ones. These are the orange or the reds. These are the reds. 10 blue dreams. 10 blue dreams. They look really good. 10 blue dreams. And I got 10 orange ones. And I got 10 blue dreams again. I thought I ordered some black ones. I must not have. And these are 10 yellows. That's 40 shrimp so far. I should have some moss in here, which I don't see. Oh, and it could be wrapped up in this. Let's see what this is. Maybe that's why this paper wet. There we go. There we go. I got some moss here. Christmas moss or Java moss. I don't know. He didn't leave it. Oh, that's the moss I want. I forgot the name of this, but this is it. That's a nice piece to go in the shrimp tank, and this will go in the bottom tank. Yep. Alright. They was a couple days late, but they here and they alive, so that's all that matters. Appreciate you, Detroit Shrimp and Aquatics. I don't see no more in the box. I think that's it. Yep. Well, at least he had them packaged good. Appreciate you, man. Cooper Cichlids, peace. I got 20 blue dreams, some orange, and some yellows.
What was so important that you had to hang up on me and tell me I'll call you back? You don't work today?
Okay.
Why are you calling?
Alrighty, and this is my mixed Neo Cardina drink. I got orange, yellows, reds, whites, blues, and blacks in here.
I know they're trying to open up a lot of places, but they got to find out what's going on with this COVID. But as a matter of fact, what time they used to go?
And I'd like to thank Detroit Shrimp and Aquatics for his order. He also gave me some food, and I got 2 things of moss. I'm gonna add one to this one and one to the bottom tank. So all the shrimp are in, and they acclimated. It's been over an hour. And here we go. This is my end result until I add the moss.
Is it black guy or white guy?
It's one of the orange ones.
Shuffle.
Red, blue. Snowball. Blue. I got blue dream. Shrimp got some nice color. All right, y'all. That's it. Peace.